Welcome to another property tour. Today, we're in beautiful San Bernardino, Paraguay, inside the exclusive Aqua Village community. We're about to explore a charming 366 square meter villa with 3 spacious bedrooms. Hello and welcome. Let's discover this beautiful home in Aqua Village. As I walk in, you can immediately see the open layout, a very spacious living room and dining room that has one of the coolest views of the entire complex. It is a gated community and you can see the Blue Lagoon. You can spend time there with your family. It has so many amenities. It's a big space that you can make your own and be creative. I love this stone wall here. It gives it so much character. Now the kitchen section. I love this white counter up here and dark granite. You can accommodate so many things here, and that window has a great view. We're now in the service area. Very big. You can use this as a storage room. It has a bathroom over here. It also has space for a laundry room. Now, let's go into the room section. I love the wooden stairs and the windows are all double glazed in this beautiful corridor with light. We are now in the first room. It has access to this courtyard that is huge, and it is my favorite part of this entire house. And all rooms have direct access to it. And all rooms have en suites. Nice bathroom. Up here you can see they're all wooden floors. Now on to the second bedroom. Also a decent size. Again, with the access, definitely one of the coolest things about this property. All rooms have access to that big courtyard. Another bathroom. Let's check out the wardrobe to see how big it is. Lots of storage areas. So that's always handy in every property. And I assume here you have the master bedroom. Very big. Where are you? Oh. And here you have more storage. Now my favorite part of the property, with those views, crystal blue, bright blue lagoon. This is what you can get when you live here in Paraguay. Your very own castle. Can you imagine living here? Very calm. Weather's nice. Beautiful views. Super easy going. It's just the life. And I think it's really great. In this property, you have 584 square meters of land and 366 square meters of construction. Private pool, all amenities, 24-hour security, parrillada areas, 2 parking spaces. The social area has 2 tennis courts, 1 football court, kids play, restaurants inside the gated community, full access to the clubhouse in the Blue Lagoon, many hiking trails around, and much more. This villa is available for $550,000. Everything about it is top-notch. Exquisite design and the beautiful surroundings make it a top property here in Paraguay. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. And if you'd like more information about this property or more alike, don't hesitate to contact us at my second option. Our WhatsApp link is in the description box. See you on the next video.